Hi friends, welcome back to my session, and in this session we are going to discuss about the few things in Git. So the things are, what is Git Fork and what is Git Clone and what is Git Stash, and there are few more things which we are going to discuss in this session. So first of all, if you come to the source code management tool, Git is one of the source code management tool. Majority of the companies has been adapted to Git because of their added advantages. So along with the Git, we have some more source code management tools are available in the market. Among those, SVN is one of those. SVN is also the version control system. So the basic difference between SVN and Git is, as SVN is centralized version control system, but coming to Git, it is a distributed version control system. Okay, so let us come to topic. What is Git fork? Generally, if I want to get the repository of others into my repository, I'm going to use the Git fork. Here, if you want to understand briefly, I'm going to show to you. Just open the GitHub. As I already holding the account in GitHub, it will directly open to me. And suppose your name is Srinivas. You having GitHub account, and inside of your GitHub account, you have some files are there, and you have the repository. You have in the inside of your repository, you have some files are there. I'm Sunil. I just want to access your repository into my account because of the files which I am looking for is available in your account. So how I can be able to get your repo into my account repo? You guys understand the point? If I want to get the repos of others into my account by using with the help of the Git fork, I will be able to do that. So what name I am searching? Srinivas. Enter. Suppose if you are looking for this Srinivas only, Srinivas 1987 DevOps. The thing is here, if I want to get this entire repo, the branch is dev1. If I want to get this entire repo into my account, this will be done with the help of the Git fork. Just click on the Git fork. Here you will get the option. Here the repository name is like this only. If you want to change the name of the repository, here you can. Otherwise, you can leave as it is. And description. If you want to set up, you can. Otherwise, you can ignore. Just click on create fork. Then automatically the Srinivas repository will be replicated into my account. Once it has been successfully forked, just we will have a look on it. Go to home, and right now you will find the repository of Srinivas here. Dev tester 1235 Srinivas repo. If you go inside of this repo, you will find the all such kind of files. What are the files which are available in the Srinivas directory? Those files will be reflected here. This is a simple thing. Okay, in this way we will get the others repository into the our repository. Okay guys, and if you want to understand about Git clone, Git clone is nothing but if my repository is in the GitHub, but if I want to work on the GitHub, means if I want to work on that particular code which is available on the GitHub, so the thing is what I will do, I am just clone the repository which is available on the GitHub into my local machine, because of I am not supposed to work on the GitHub which is available on the centralized. I just want to get the code into my local machine. I just want to make the modification from my local machine only. So for that purpose, if I want to get the repo from GitHub to my local machine, the thing is Git clone. Okay. For that purpose, what I will do, I had a mission. Actually, if you observe here, one EC2 instance is running. So I'm going to use the same mission. Okay. Fine. I just need to log in into the mission. For that purpose, just click on connect and click on SSH client. Just copy the same, and here the key pair is in desktop key pair folder. Just go to the desktop key pair folder and just right click on it, enter. Then automatically you will be able to connect to the mission which is available in the AWS. Okay, fine. Just log on into the mission as a root user, sudo -i. Then you will be able to log in as a root user. Just click on LL. Did you have anything? No. I'm going to create one directory. Right now the directory is Zomato. Regularly we are ordering the foods on Zomato only, so that's why for your better understanding purpose, I just make the directory name as Zomato. Fine. I just change the directory to Zomato. Just type ZO tab. Automatically it will be displayed here. Right now I'm inside of Zomato directory. The first thing is what the first thing I need to done here. I need to initiate the Git repository. For that purpose, what is the command? Git init dot means current directory. The Git repository has been initiated. Fine. What the thing I need to done? I just need to clone the thing which is in the Srinivas repository into my local repository. For that purpose, what I will do? Git clone the link. So what is the link? Here if you click on the code, just right now I am in which repository? Srinivas 1987 DevOps repository. Just click on code. Here HTTPS, copy the code and open the mission which you opened. Right click. So git clone the link which you want to clone. Enter. Yes. It has been successfully cloned or not. Just click on LL. How to change it? How to check? The Srinivas repository successfully downloaded into my local machine. CD Srinivas. No. Enter. LL. Here are you able to see the list of files? Whatever the files which are available on the Srinivas repository, the same files has been available here because of we had cloned the Srinivas repository here. In this way, we can clone the code from the GitHub account to our local repository. Okay. Here we are going to understand about the Git Stash. Just come out of this. No. CD double dot. Just CD. Yes. Right now you are in the root folder. Enter LL. I am going to create one more folder. Folder is nothing but directory. I am going to create one more directory. The directory name is Swiggy right now. Change directory to Swiggy. And I need to initialize the GitHub repository. For that purpose, what I am going to do? Git init dot. It has been initialized the empty Git repository in the particular directory. Right now I am in which directory? I am in the Swiggy directory. So I am going to create one file. Touch file 1. Okay. LL. The file 1 has been successfully created. So what I am going to do? I am going to enter some content. Vi file 1. Press I. It will take you into the insert mode and type something. Hello all. And press escape. Semicolon WQ. It will save your content into the file. Okay. Then what are the thing is next? Git add file 1 to enter into the staging area. If you check the status, git status, the file 1 is in the green mode. It means it indicates the file will be tracked. And if you want to check with the stash, first of all, without at least one commit file, we can't use the git stash. First of all, at least we just need to commit at least one file. So for that purpose, I am going to commit git commit -m c1 stands for commit 1. What is the file? File 1. Right now, one file has been successfully committed. If you want to check the same, just enter git log. Have you checked it? Yes. If you want to check the git branch as well, you will be able to check. Simply type git branch. Right now you are in which branch? Master. As you know, once you have successfully committed any file, automatically the default branch is master branch will be created. Okay, and you can create one more file, that is file 2. Touch file 2. Okay, and git add file 2. I am going to move the file 2 into the staging area. Enter. Just if you want to apply git stash, just apply git stash stash. What is stash? Here, what is stash? Stash is nothing but storing something safely in a hidden place. Means, suppose if you want to save some files, but you don't want to display here, by applying stash, it will be save your files in somewhere. Here, if you type ll, how many files it is showing? Only file 1. Where is file 2? Actually, I have two files, the file 1 and file 2. But here only it is displaying file 1 only. If you want to check for which files the stash has been applied, git stash apply. Yeah, the file 2, the stash has been applied. Means the stash will be applied to the files which has been in the staging area. Why the file 1 is not replicated here? Because of the file 1 file has been already committed. The file 2 file is not yet committed. Before committing the file 2, I just executed the command git stash. So for that purpose, the file 2 has been successfully moved into the stash. Even if I want to check, if I press the ll, it is not displayed over because of it is in the hidden state. Got my point? Fine. If I want to delete the stashes, how I will be do? Git stash pop. It will, what it will do? It will delete the recent stashes. So if you press ll, then will you able to see the file 1 and file 2? Earlier, are you able to see the file 2? No. Right now, I just removed the stashes. Because of I had removed the stashes, I will be able to see the files. So if you press git status, what is the files are in the staging area? File 2 is only file 2 is in staging area. If I again apply stash, git stash, again the file 2 will be hidden. If you type ll, it will not display the file 2. In this way, without, if I want to, where the scenario is, suppose if I want the file, but I do not want to display the file here, and I don't want to disturb the file, because of if the file is here open state, maybe there is a chance the file will be accidentally deleted, maybe chance there will be a file will be moved into the editing stage. So instead of, to avoid those scenarios, what I will do, I'm going to safely store my file in a secure position. For that purpose, I'm going to apply the stash for the files. By applying the stash to the files, it will be stored in some hidden place. It will not display. Even if I want to, if I press enter, means ll, it will not display here. In this way, we can be able to apply the stash. And as you know, if I want to push the code from a local machine to GitHub repository, as you know, git remote add, git push origin master. What are the branch you want to push? you can mention like that. Okay, these are the things you just need to understand. Okay, you can also practice from your end, and I hope you guys enjoyed the session, and do not forget to subscribe my channel, because of without your support I can't be able to make such beautiful videos for you. And I hope this video will definitely help out you to understand what actually is going on in Git. Okay guys, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and you will get the video notification whenever I had uploaded any kind of video. Then you will immediately get a notification if you press the bell icon. And please share your friends whoever is looking to enhance their skills in the cloud technologies. Thank you for watching my video, and we will meet up in the next section with the new topic. Until signing off, thank you, bye bye.